drag slipping, thinking I'm a stall. I said the hook, it makes me holler like a hound dog. They see me dragging me and I know it gets them really mad. You thought you caught you one, you hung up in the lily pads. Nah, ain't you fishing, buddy? I'm fishing for the money. You picked a pretty hoe, but that hoe ain't got the honey. They steady cranking, flipping jigs, trying to stick 'em, but you fishing for nothing, cause I done stuck 'em. I got my big bass sack, slap field for the win. Flip my hat to the bag, put that murk in the wind. Grab that fish, hold it high, let my competition know. Surprise, surprise, I'm the king of the honey.
I'm waking up early, rise and shine. We do more than just wet the line. Back it in, I'm here to win. Hold your head, it's time to ride. Got the Carolina stretched out. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Flipping jigs and cranking them out. We came here to turn it out. 10 long hours in the sun, just a couple more and this race is done. My honey hole, you ain't getting none. That's the way Big Bass is done. Set that hook, got it locked in Gunnersville and Table Rock. You can't do it from the dock. Let a good old boy find that competition gets hotter as we get farther and farther. And we cover in water all the way from Texas to Florida. So tell them loud, lock it in, I'm just looking for the win. Grab that fish and hold it high. Everybody bow to the king tonight.
Got my